Good morning, students. Okay, so previous class we learned what is the greatest, smallest, and rounding of numbers, and expanded form, and nearest tens, nearest hundreds, and nearest thousands, and which is the greater and which is the smallest. Okay, today class we are continue that class, previous class. Write the numbers in expanded form. Okay, they are given one number 6 comma 40 comma 156. So what they are asking now, write the numbers in expanded form. So expanded form already previous class we discussed. Just you have to write place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. So place value of 6 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know how to use commas also, no? Every 3 digits, first comma is 3 digits, after second comma 6 digits, 6 lakhs. Plus 0 place value is thousands. So 10,000 plus 40,000. Plus 1 place value 100. 5 place value 10, 50. Plus 1 place value is 6. So 6,000 plus 40,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus. This is expanded form. Expanded form of the given number. Okay, now coming to next bit. Write the following numbers in short form. Write the following numbers in short form. Short form is nothing but addition only, no. Previous class we discussed already. So they given a write the numbers in short form. Okay, short form, no. So already previous class we discussed, no. 30,000, sorry 30,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, so write the numbers in short form. Short form means just you have to add. First write 30,000, next 500, next 20, next 5. While addition, subtraction, place values you have to check it. Ones to ones, tens to tens. What is the place value of ones? 0, 0, 0, 5. Look at here, 0, 0, 0, 5. What is the place value of tens? 0, 0, 2. There is no place value. 0, 0, 2, 0. That all you have to add. 5, 2, 5, 0, 3. 30,525. This is called short form. Nothing but addition. The expanded form we have to add. Okay, next. Which is larger among these two? Use greater than symbol and write. They given two numbers 4 comma 67 comma 612 or 18 comma 71 comma 964. Here asking among these two, which is the greatest number? So we have to check place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 4,67,612. This is 18,71,964. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 4,67,612, 18,71,964. The question asking which is the larger among these two? Use greater than symbol. So we have to write which one is greater? 18,71,964 greater than 4,67,612. That's it, over. Same like which is smaller among these two? Again given next bit two numbers, asking what is the smaller. Here what is the greater and next bit is what is the smaller. So the numbers are 2 comma 00 comma 015 or 99,999. See, if I wrote here commas, no, very easy to read the number. So this is 2 lakhs 15, 99,999, which is the smaller. So 99,999 is the less than 2 lakhs 15. This is the answer. Okay. So next, we know place value of Indian system, we know place value of international system. Okay, here Indian system, alright, Indian system. And international. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, so here international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. International system, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. It is international system. It is international system. So compare with the India, our country. So 1 lakh equal to 100,000s. Compare with the international system. 10 lakhs equal to million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 10 crores equal to 100 million. Okay. If you take 100 crores, if you take first of 100 crores, billion. If you take 100 crores, billion. Ones as usual, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands as usual. Coming to 10,000s also as usual, lakhs equal to 100,000. 10 lakhs equal to million, crores equal to 10 million, 10 crores equal to 100 million, 100 crore equal to billion. Okay. So this is about Indian system and international system. So, and you know how to use commas Indian system. Okay. So for suppose 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Indian system, first comma, 3 digits after, second comma, third comma. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10,000 crores. 7 crores, 89 lakhs, 32,561. It is Indian system is clear. Coming to international system. So international system, they given one problem. Write the number using commas according to international system of numeration. 97, 64, 53, 97, 64, 53, 15. So use commas. First comma, 3 digits after. Second comma, next 3 digits after. Like that, every comma will come every 3 digits after in international system. Place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million. So it is the number 97,645,315. Okay, next. So like this, you have to use the commas in international system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 97,645,315. So next, write the numbers in words both Indian and international system. So 8964, 8964, 30, 8964, 30, 8964, 3092. Question is, write the numbers both Indian and international. So Indian system we know. So place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores. Which one? Indian system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crores. So 89, 8 crores, use commas better. First comma, second comma. 8 crores, 96 lakhs, 43,092. Indian system. International system, we have to write again place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. How to use commas? Every 3 is after first comma, second comma. So 89 million 643,092. 89 million 643,092. It is international system. Next, one more problem. 302, comma 179, comma 468. So the given number, read the number careful and answer the following. Read the number careful and answer the following. Here given commas also. So look at the commas, we have to identify this is international number. This is a international number. Based on the commas. Indian system we know every first comma is 3 digits after, second comma is 5 digits, third comma is 7 digits. But here given every comma is every 3 digits after. So it is international number. So write place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Internal system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So the question is the digits at a millions place. The digits at in this number, the digit at millions place. In millions place, which digits? 2. 2 is the million place. 2 is a million place. Next, the digit at 100 place. In this number, the digit at 100 place. 100 place, so what is the number? 4. Ones, tens, hundred, no. 4 is hundreds place. 4 is 100 place. Next, the digit at 10 millions place. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100 million, 10 millions place. So what is the 10 millions place? 0. 0 is 10 millions place. Zero is 10 millions place. Next, how many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there in the number? Okay. How many millions are there? 1, 2, 3. So 302 is the number in how many millions are there in number? 302 is the number. 3 numbers are there. Okay. So till now, so what we discussed? We discussed till now. So estimating and comparing numbers. What is the greatest? What is the smallest? So based on the number of digits. If there are 5 digits, compare with 4 digit number. 5 digit number is the greatest number. 4 digit number is the smallest number. Next, rounding of numbers. Tens, hundreds, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands. And write the numbers in short form. They give some numbers. Plus 30,000, for suppose 30,000, plus 500, plus 20, plus 2. So write the short form means nothing but we have to add. Okay. So this is the today class. We are learning a short form and a rounding of number and what is the smallest and greatest and majorly Indian system place values, how to use commas, what is the international system place values, so how to use the commas, And again what we discuss, compare with Indian system and international system. No, so 10 lakhs equal to 1 million, 1 crore equal to 10 million, 10 crores equal to 100 million, 100 crores equal to billion. Compare with the international system. Okay, I'll give some homework. So you can write numbers using commas: 200, 48, 421. You can write use commas. Next 123, 11, 502, 502, 7. It is use of commas. Next, write the numbers in words both Indian and international system. Indian and international system. Indian and international system. And your own, you can write some own numbers and you can use of commas. You write some numbers your own and you write both Indian system and international system. Okay. So till what we discuss, starting onwards, estimating and comparing, rounding of numbers and large numbers and place values, use of commas. Okay. And you know, large numbers, greatest 4-digit number you can take, 4 nines. You can add 1. What will get? We can get 4 digits, no? 5 digits smallest number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits smallest number. Okay. So like that, your own you can take a 2-digit number. Add 1, you can check it, what will get. You take 3-digit number and you can add 1. You can check it, what will get. Smallest number or greatest number and how many digits of number. Okay. And some large numbers, how to use in daily life situation. Some large numbers. Some large numbers, daily life situation. So we use some large number daily life situation. For suppose to measure length, we need some units. To measure the length, what we can use? Meter. Okay. To measure the weight, what we can use? Kilogram. To measure the volume, liters. To measure the times in seconds. Okay, so these are some large daily life situation. We are using the measurements, standard measurements. Okay, so this is today class. Okay, tomorrow we can continue the next class. Okay, thank you all.